Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're going to take you out to the Hardees restaurant in Callahan, Florida for the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise-in for January. This was a great event this month. We had a lot of awesome cars out there, a lot of different cars out there. It just was one of them days where everything just was beautiful and perfect, and it was a nice start to the new year for the car shows in the area. Because we've had 2 weeks off for Christmas and New Year's and everything. So this was kind of the leaping off point for the new year of car shows. So it was a nice laid back event, cool. So and it helped. It was 80 something degrees here in Florida in January, so that was nice. Anyway, so this is going to be our car show cam video. There's not going to be a lot on it because we're going to just drive in and park, and it shows you what comes in one of the rear entrances, so there's not going to be a whole lot on it, but I hope you do enjoy it. But if you don't, skip on by. There's another video that'll show a lot more of the car show, several other videos. So anyway, I'm going to quit talking. We're going to get to the car show. Now let's rev it up for that car show.
Not sure what that one's doing.
Change their mind, that's what.
Yeah. Well, that's real smart.
Well, my spot's open.
Alright. Unless you want to park somewhere else.
Well, it's easiest to park here to get my scooter off. Am I too far up? Yeah, I believe so.
I got to get a stand. You're against the rail.
I am.
Oh, that's... You're good.
I'm having to watch that fella standing there in the mirror.
Yeah.
I bought no rust on it nowhere, no body work ever done to it, nothing.
Watch out for the little kiddo.
Yeah. You too, thank you.
Yeah, for the fun part.
Unless you want to go this way. Go around the light.
Yeah, I think I will.
Yeah. Or go down to the bank to the light.
Traffic would just happen to stop just right.
Yeah. There's a crowd tonight.
Biggest one I've seen in a long time. I think it's like Tanya said, it's nice. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the January Callahan Cruisers cruise in at the Hardees restaurant in Callahan, Florida. Ooh, that's a mouthful. A lot of Callahans in there. Anyway, this was a great show. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. I got to rub it in again. It was 81 degrees. In January, in Florida, it's usually a lot colder than that. So we were kind of enjoying the weather. It just was nice. It was a nice night to cruise out. It wasn't humid and hot, but it was that warm, not freezing cold January kind of thing. Anyway, it was just a great show. We had a lot of cool cars out there, a lot of different cars out there. People that have never come out to the Callahan Cruisers cruise in before. It's kind of a shame that a lot of our long-standing people didn't come out, but you know, we had fun anyway. It was probably the best cruising we've had in months, 6-8 months or something like that. I mean, it just, you know, just special. I think everybody just had to kick off January New Year with a big bang. Anyway, as I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. That helps out the channel the most. Share it around if you're a subscriber. Share it to people that are car people. Share it to non-car people. You know, we try to appeal to everybody on this channel. But yeah, just we're trying to grow the channel. We're at 330 subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 to get our initial, you know, monetization for YouTube dollars. We're well over halfway there. We seem to keep just crawling our way ever closer week to week. Maybe by the end of the year we'll be monetized. Maybe by summer we'll be monetized. I don't know. It'll be a thrill when it happens. But then the real work starts. Keeping it monetized. And keeping growing. So, anyway. Any help you guys could be on that would be great. We got a bunch of car shows coming up. We're going to try to, you know, go out to as many car shows as we can. Upcoming, we've got Eastbound Get Down. We've got Mandarin Athletic Association. After that, we've got Down at the Bay with Cedar Bay Baptist Church. We've got Cruising with Jesus or something with Journey Church. A lot of church car shows coming up. Well, you know, I'm going to go support them. I'm going to go video them for them. I'm going to take pictures and all that stuff. So, you guys get the benefit of it. They get the benefit, too, by having exposure. For if they want to do it again. They can just point to the video and go, this is what it was last time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you see us out at the car shows, say hey. So, we'll see you guys out there.